Oh my gosh, this smells good. I don't get it. Has it really gone? Are we still in quarantine? Are we in lockdown? What's like, I don't know what's actually going on in this world anymore. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Keke and I'm back again with another video for you. Look, I think I uploaded once this week on a Monday. It's now Sunday. I've been feeling very low this week. A lot's been going on and a lot of things have been getting on top of me, but do you know what, I'm having a good day today, so I thought, you know what, let me just film something quickly for you lot. I'm going to show you guys how I bake my chicken. I actually seasoned it last night, so this is about to be tasting delectable, baby. Let me show you guys. Hold on. Oh my goodness. That's looking so good. That's actually looking really good, guys. This chicken has been marinating overnight. Yeah, let me just show you guys what I seasoned it with quickly. We're in the kitchen, we're in the kitchen, we're in the kitchen, we're in the kitchen. Guys, sometimes I really wonder if I have bipolar because the way my mood be going up and down is a bit mad. But anyways, moving on. Literally, I woke up this morning really early. I did a workout and I had my protein shake, and I got the kids up and we went for a long walk. We did a bit of shopping, came back and we're just playing music. I've just been having a blast today. Literally, I've been having the best day, just vibing. I've just been vibing, guys. I've just been deep in a lot of stuff and oh my gosh, this smells good. Let me just tell you guys what I seasoned the chicken with. I used everyday seasoning, I used chicken seasoning, I used peri seasoning, some chili flakes, paprika, hot paprika. It's got a look. Do you know what? This hot paprika, yeah, I don't think it's actually hot at all. Actually, I've never tasted it on its own. Let's give it a go. Alright guys, I don't advise you try paprika on its own because it tastes nasty. What? I use this in literally everything I cook and I've never tasted it on its own before. And I've just tasted it and it tastes crap. What the hell? And finally, some thyme. First things first, what we're going to do is we're going to preheat the oven. We're going to preheat the oven to 180 degrees, okay? I used this foil actually that was covering the chicken, and I'm going to place this on the cooking tray, like so. As we're going to preheat the oven to 180. And you want the oven to preheat for a good 15-20 minutes, so it's nice and hot before you put your meat in. But what we're going to do first is actually we're going to fry this chicken just to sear it. We're going to brown the chicken on a frying pan on the stove, and then we're going to bang it in the oven for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. I've got 4 chicken. What part of the chicken is this actually? Don't know. Can you tell me what part of the chicken this is? We're going to put some sunflower oil into the pan to fry the chicken. And we're going to let that heat up first. About, that much should be fine. We're just lightly frying it. We're not deep frying or anything like that. I'm done. What? Do you know how many times I've done this? I hate electric cookers, you know, because I always forget to turn it on, and I'm back standing around thinking like, yeah, this is getting hot. This isn't getting hot, the oven's off. I hope you're all doing well. I went to the shops this morning and like there was more people without masks than there was with masks, so clearly coronavirus is just disappeared. I don't get it. Has it really gone? Are we still in quarantine? Are we in lockdown? like, I don't know what's actually going on in this world anymore. When this whole quarantine started, I was literally watching the news every day, trying to keep up with what's actually going on and stuff like that. But then it got too depressing, so I stopped watching it literally, and now I don't know what's going on. So yeah, I'm in London, I'm from the UK, so like, I don't know, I know rules are different in other countries, but what's actually going on in London, please? Are we in lockdown? Because Boris is just confusing me. He's confusing me. He's saying one thing and doing the next. You're a walking contradiction, Boris Johnson. Girl, I went out this morning and there were bare people out. I'm seeing people going to parties, people, like, what? I don't know, I guess lockdown's over, I don't know. Like, Zahn's birthday's coming up as well in a few weeks, and I'm literally stuck on whether to do something big or not for him, because it's like, is anyone going to come? Are people leaving their houses? Are people getting public transport? Like, what's good? Birthday is literally in about 3-4 weeks, so I was thinking of having a gathering at home, but a lot of people were telling me, like, no, like, it's better to have it in a park in an open space, which means, are we still meant to be social distancing? I don't know what's actually going on, guys. How do you lot check if your oil is hot enough? Please don't try this at home. I flick a little bit of water in there, and if it sizzles, then we're good to go. That's very dangerous, so don't do it. Nothing, we're not ready yet, guys, not ready yet. Like, the news really has a depressing effect on my mind, okay? It lowers my mood completely, and it just puts me in a mental state of sadness, because there's nothing positive on the news. Literally, it's bad news. Why it should be called bad news. And these protests, nah, I don't like how they're trying to switch it up into a negative thing. Like, what the hell? That's the media for you. Obviously they're gonna do that. Yeah, I don't want to talk, let's not talk about that, because yeah. Ooh, there you go. That was the water that I just flicked in there. Now it's bubbling up. Now let me just make one thing clear, guys. You do not want the chicken to cook in the pan. That's not what the purpose of this step is for. You literally just want to brown the edges, like, not the edges, the skin, like the outside layer. You want to brown it a little bit, and then you're going to put it into the oven to bake and cook through properly. Do you get it? Really and truly, I feel like this oil should have probably been hotter, but I'm impatient, so we gotta do what we gotta do. Let me just turn it up. I would say to leave it like this 5 minutes each side. That should actually be alright. And do not throw away this goodness. Don't throw that away, guys, because we're gonna pour that on top of the chicken before we put it into the oven. Okay, so now I'm going to turn these all over. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm just going to flip them over now. Yes, baby. And you see how oh my gosh, that hurt. I'm wearing shorts. Oh my gosh, that really hurt. You know what, I shouldn't be using this. No. This is, oh my gosh. Guys, be back. So the chicken is ready to go into the oven now. Get our tray. So we're just going to put the chicken on the baking tray. At this stage your chicken does look cooked, but guys, please do not eat your chicken like this. You'll probably get really sick because the middle is probably 100% raw. We literally just seared the outside. Guys, I like to literally fold it up like a little parcel so that none of the steam escapes. This is how you keep your chicken proper nice and moist. To this seasoning juice, or whatever you want to call it, I'm going to add some barbecue sauce. Just going to mix that in. And after 20 minutes, you're going to literally brush your meat with this sauce. You're going to uncover it from the foil so that it can get nice and crispy. I'm going to do the rice, guys. I like to use basmati. There's many different types of rice, as you know, but this is one that I usually stick to as my go-to. So what I'm going to do, I've just boiled the kettle, 1 cup and 2 cups. So we've got 2 cups of rice. I'm going to wash this rice quickly. We're going to add some thyme. I always add thyme in my rice because literally, guys, it tastes so much better. I'm going to put a little bit of salt. Not too much because salt is not good for you. We're going to put some tomato puree into the pot. I know some people put oil into their rice to like stop it from sticking and stuff like that, but I've noticed that when you put butter in, it tastes so much better. It serves the same purpose as the oil, obviously, but literally, guys, adding the butter it has your rice tasting like popcorn. Literally, it tastes so good with the rice. I'm just going to melt this butter. We're going to leave it on a low heat so that it can cook properly. And yeah, we're just going to let it do its thing. It's now time to take the chicken out. We're going to check it and add the sauce. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's see what is happening with our chicken. This is what the chicken is looking like after about 20 minutes. I'm now going to add the barbecue sauce mixture that I had made earlier on. And we're just going to coat the chicken in it and put it back into the oven for another 20 minutes without the foil covering. And this is going to go back into the oven now. So my chicken is done. Look at that. Chicken's done. My rice is nice and cooked. It's finished now. I've just got some sweet corn boiling in there. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna sit down and eat dinner now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much, guys, for the support and everything like that. We're slowly growing my channel, ever so slowly, but we're getting there. So yeah, thank you so much. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Woo!